What's up everybody, it's Technicians Tuesday, or well, this week is going to be a little bit different than normal. Sadly, while I was making this week's video, my hard drive crashed and I wasn't able to finish the video. So instead of a normal Tuesday, we'll be going over something that I have gotten a lot of questions about, which is what is the best way to get the steering wheel off of the helm without destroying the threads and damaging the helm. If you have ever had to change out a steering wheel or a helm, then you know how hard these wheels can be to get off. Over the years of being clung to by all of us who drive our boats in the pocket saying trim down for what, the wheels tend to get frozen onto the helm and they can be a pain to remove. So this here is the best way to get them off without having expensive pullers or tools. The first thing you want to do, depending on what kind of wheel you have, is to remove this cap in order to get to the nut. You're going to find a little flathead or an Allen bolt that is holding the cap in. These also can get frozen in place, so if it is, you can simply go to the opposite side from the bolt and pry the cap out if it is a plastic one like this. Then you want to remove the nut, and if there is a washer behind it, remove that. Then place the nut back onto the helm so that it is sticking out just past the threads. Now this is the key to this entire process. With that nut protecting the threads of the helm, you want to take one leg and place it underneath the steering wheel, and then using your arm on the other side of the wheel, put as much pressure against the wheel going out as you can. Then simply hit the nut with a hammer and the wheel is going to pop right off the helm against the nut. Now just remove the nut and pull the wheel off. Simple as that. I've had a lot of people ask me how to do this without destroying the threads on the helm, and that's the trick, which is going to be all for this week's Technicians Tuesday. Sorry for being such a short video, but next week we will be back into the normal uploads and hopefully we can recover all of the data from this hard drive. Thanks for hanging out with us, and if you found this to be informative, give us a thumbs up. And if you came across this video to get your steering wheel off, check out some of our other videos, which are all about helpful boating tricks and service tips. Get subscribed to the channel, and if you would like to ask us a question, drop a comment below or visit us at bornagainboating.com. Now enjoy your Tuesday night and we'll see you next week.